Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to recalibrate the back door on vehicles equipped with an automatic liftgate. Although the sensors work very well, there may be some instances where something gets caught in the liftgate or it doesn't close properly, or maybe you've tried to open it manually. These are just examples of when it may be helpful to recalibrate the rear liftgate, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. I am demonstrating on the 2022 Highlander Platinum, but these instructions should work across models and trim lines with automatic liftgates. This one has the power back door as well as the kick sensor. So these steps will reset both the liftgate and the kick sensor if applicable on your vehicle. Let's hop in and use the arrows on the steering wheel to navigate to the settings screen. On this vehicle, I'm pressing the down arrow until I reach settings, which is typically a little cog icon. Use the left or right arrows to navigate to the vehicle settings, which is identified by a little vehicle and cog icon. You'll see it here. Click and hold the OK or the middle button on your steering wheel, and that will open the vehicle settings. At the top, you should see PBD, which stands for Power Back Door. Click OK. Use the OK button to click System Settings Off. This will disable the automatic feature and any kick sensor features attached. Once the system settings are turned off, turn off the vehicle completely and head to the back liftgate. Okay, now you are going to manually open and close the door. This is going to feel kind of funny because you're still working against the integrated motor, so it's going to be heavy and a little bit awkward. I'm going to have my lovely assistant Bruce demonstrate the opening and closing of the back door. Open it all the way up and then close it completely. Remember, it's not going to beep. None of the lights are going to flash because the power back door feature is not on. Once we've completed the heavy lifting portion of these instructions, head back inside the vehicle and turn it on again. You should end up back at the settings menu, but if not, just navigate there now using the arrows on the steering wheel. Find the vehicle settings icon again and turn the PBD system settings back on. You can use the back arrow on the steering wheel to get out of the menu and navigate back to your home screen. And that is how to recalibrate the automatic liftgate and associated features on your Toyota vehicle. I hope this video helps guide you through the process if you ever needed to do so. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.